Who's a big girl? Who's a big girl? Who's a big girl? Say hi. Say hi. Hi, big girl.
Who's a big
Say hi, sweet pea. Say hi, sweet pea.
Who's a big girl, Baby Rose? Who is a big girl, Baby Rose?
Are you gonna say hi? Say hi. Let's see that laugh.
Do
Let's
that.
see that laugh. You laugh so good.
You made mommy and daddy laugh when I heard
Yeah, you did. Whoa, you're jumping all over the place.
Oh, be careful with it.
You're turning around the other way. Vivian, come over here.
Make sure she doesn't hurt her.
Vivi. Yeah, I know. Whoa, you getting your balance? What are you looking at, sweetie pie? What are you looking at? Sweetie pie? Sweetie pie, what are you looking at?
You're looking in the paint.
Vivi, you dancing around? Are you dancing around? You in the pantry? You dancing around the pantry? Who's dancing around the pantry? Woo! Hi! Hi, big girl! Hi, big girl! How you doing, sweetie pie? Yeah! Can you jump up and down for us?
Jenny.
Will you jump up and down for us?
Jenny, jump up. Jump.
What? What? What are you saying? What are you saying? Will you tell us? Really? Really? Who's the big girl? Who's the big girl? You are?
Jenny, jump up.
Are you the big girl? Are you the big girl?
Who's a big girl?
Are you standing up?
Who has dimples? Who has dimples? Hi, Tweedle.
How pretty are you today? How pretty are you today?
So pretty.
Are you so pretty today?
Vivian, do not give your